Hello everyone, this is VideoCrafter 10 back here with a review of an illegal Beyblade. Actually no, 3 Beyblades actually. So this is called Gravity Diablo Perseus XD. It's very nice. And from the weight, it's in the medium. All at once, I made this long Beyblade with all kinds of wheels combining it. Yeah, it was really epic. I'll do a test launch for this Beyblade. 31 goes! It's very good. It's very calm. Why not do a test battle? Okay, so next I have this Fusion Big Bang Pegasus. $80 SWD, 81.5 SWD, 31 gold. Very nice again. Test battle again. For the weight, I give my hat to this one. I take off my hat to this one. And next illegal Beyblade, where'd it go? Just give me. Oh, I have to make one. How am I gonna say? Oh yeah, let's make this. Sorry if my voice is weird. I caught this cold. And obviously I'm not enjoying it. Let's see. Here is Sagittarius Big Bang Flame. No, what? 81.5 WD. Let me do a test launch. I'm pretty sure this will be a balance. Let me fix this. Okay, it doesn't work. I'll make a new one.
What? Why? The Calcutron 2000 works just fine. As long as your students remember to change its light bulb once in a while and keep its vacuum tubes free of mice. Besides, this statue is paid for with money from our building fund. Shouldn't that money be saved to make emergency repairs to...
Here. It's, not Flame. Storm plus Sagittarius. So, Storm Sagittarius. 81.5 WD. So, 3, 2, 1, go. It's really good. So that was basically it for today, guys. I've got more videos coming up. So stay tuned. So until then, like this video, subscribe, and press favorite. Thanks for watching.